Prime Minister and the BJP, RSS have no respect for Tamil culture, Tamil language and Tamil history. Now the Prime Minister is attacking our farmers. He has brought 3 new laws which are going to destroy Indian agriculture and hand Indian agriculture over to 2 or 3 big industries. Imagine that one of the laws clearly states that farmers cannot go to the court to protect themselves. The Prime Minister and the BJP, RSS have no respect for Tamil culture, Tamil language and Tamil history. The Prime Minister says, one language, one culture, one nation. What does he mean? Is Tamil not a language? Is Tamil not an Indian language? Is Bengali not an Indian language? Is Punjabi not an Indian language? What does he mean, one history? Is Tamil history not part of Indian history? Today, if we look at the nation and we see what the Prime Minister has done over the last 6-7 years, we see a weakened India, a divided India, a India where the BJP RSS ideology keeps spreading hatred throughout the country. Our biggest strength, our economy has been demolished. Our youngsters are no longer capable of getting jobs. And it is not their fault. It is the fault of the actions taken by our Prime Minister. What are these actions? Demonetization, a flawed GST, both designed to destroy the small and medium businesses of this country. The Prime Minister and the BJP only help 5 or 6 of their closest industrialists. They give them lakhs and lakhs of crores of rupees. They allow them to monopolize industry after industry. Whichever side you look, you see a monopoly that harms the interest of the poorest, weakest people in India.